pin whiskers. Ever heard of it? It's unknown to me, although I have been watching many repair channels. I bet it's in all of them now. And worked on my own set of electronics growing up. Never heard that term before. All right. So basically, I'm going to put this under potential Mandela effect. I'm not willing to call it yet, but the fact that I've never heard of this is definitely concerning. And the amount of crap it turns most electronics after a certain time period into is also very, very, very concerning. Later.